vasa efferentia. Vasa efferentia is a continuous as epididymis. Epididymis is continuous as a vasa efferentia. Vasa efferentia is continuous as ejaculatory duct. Ejaculatory duct is a continuous urethra. After that, the urethra after that it is enters into female reproductive system. Now up to this, right? Seminiferous tubule. Seminiferous tubule. This is the place for the origin of sperm. Sperm origin, seminiferous tubule. The sperms which are origin in seminiferous tubule, they must releases into female body by a path. This path formed by all of this. This is retitestis, vasa efferentia, epididymis, vasa efferentia, ejaculatory duct, urethra. This tubule continue with one another and form a path for the transport of sperm from the place of origin, that is seminiferous tubule, to female body. It is. Now, in the last class, right, the male reproductive system containing majorly 4 parts. Once again, majorly 4 parts: testis, accessory ducts, glands, external genitalia. Right. Now we are discussing this male reproductive system. That means in our body, a metabolism, reproductive metabolism in our body takes place in which level? Cell level, tissue level, organ level, system level. Once again, in our body, reproductive metabolism occurs in which level? System. If it is system, must be containing organs. So, testis one organ. Is it? Penis one organ. So, this is the organ. This organ together form system. Okay. But among these organs, now, what is testis? Testis is a reproductive organ. Right. Now, what is accessory ducts? Accessory ducts. Now, retitestis, efferentia, epididymis, differentia, ejaculatory duct, urethra. All are accessory ducts. Right. Okay. Now, what is testis? The testis is a primary sex organ. These are the secondary sex organ. Why testis? Why testis? Testis is considered as primary sex organ. Suppose retitestis. You take vasa efferentia, penis, whatever it is. Secondary sex organ. This is the sex organ, this is also sex organ. This is not digestive organ, this is not a reproductive organ. Both are reproductive organ, both are sex organ. But why the testis is a primary sex organ? Why not this primary sex organ? The primary sex organ means among these organs which take the responsibility to form the gametes, sperm, and also produce hormones. That means, right. You take vasa efferentia, you take vasa epididymis, you take the testis, whatever it may be, you take any organ. Right. According to definition of primary sex organ, the organ which produce gametes and also now it is the testis. Now, what is this sector? Right. This is called as testicular lobule. 250 testicular lobules there. Now, what is this? Seminiferous tubule. Now, if it is seminiferous tubule, now what is this? Germ cell. It is cervical cell. Right. Now, it is another germ cell. Now, what is this? Right. Leydig cells. This Leydig cells is produce androgens, hormones. This cell is produce sperm. Germinal cells produce the sperm. That means in this organ produce sperms and as well as male organs. And hence it is primary sex organ. If this type of functions, if it takes in epidermis, the epidermis is also considered as a primary sex organ. But except the testes, these all remaining ducts never produce neither gametes nor hormones. Hence, this is not a primary sex. But what is the need to transport the sperms based on its function? That is the transport of sperm. It is considered as a secondary sex organ, but not primary sex organ. Right. Now come to this next one. Right. Now, see. Right. Testes, accessory ducts. 1, 2, glands, 3, external genitalia, 4. This is the 4 major parts. 4. Now what it is? Glands. You know where the glands is there? Secretion. Salivary gland secrete the saliva. Gastric gland secrete the gastric juice. Similarly, the glands which are belongs to the male reproductive system. Now, a pair of seminal vesicle. Right, this is the gland. Now, a single prostate gland and a pair of bulbourethral gland. This is the 3 glands which are present in male reproductive system. See the diagram, right? See, seminal vesicle. A pair of pale, yellow color, right? Now what is this pink color? Prostate gland. It is a single. Yellow, bulbourethral gland, right? The gland produces some secretion. The secretion of these 3 glands is called as seminal plasma. Now what is this sperm? The sperms are produced in seminiferous tube. Each sperm containing head and tail. This is the sperm. What is the tail? The tail helps in locomotion. Why? Okay. The fish can locomotion in water. That means it is the head, it is the tail, but it requires some medium to show the sperm. The fish cannot show the locomotion on the land. Why? Its medium is water. Right? The man or other some cow can show the locomotion on the land, cannot on the water. That means, right, the locomotion requires a specific medium, not common medium. Similarly, now what is this tail? This tail helps in locomotion. But it is a required medium. This is the surrounding medium. This is the surrounding. Now the surrounding medium is called as seminal plasma. Now this is called as sperm. Altogether is called as semen. Now semen. Name the 2 components of semen. Name the 2 components of the semen. Semen is made with sperm. Now what is this seminal plasma? Both together is called as semen. In this semen, the sperm origin, seminiferous tube. Seminal plasma origin, this is the 3 glands. This is the thing. The seminal plasma composition. What is the chemical composition? Fructose, calcium, some enzymes. This is the major chemical components which are present in seminal plasma. Seminal plasma with sperm and together form semen. The seminal plasma is secreted by 3 glands. That is seminal vesicles, prostate gland, bulb. Okay. Now just listen. Very important. Right. Now what is this fructose? The fructose is a component of seminal plasma. Right. Now see. Actually this is fructose. Good. This fructose is a disaccharide. Is a one type of carbohydrate. Right? Either male or female body in any organism. Be careful. The fructose is not synthesized. In our body, fructose is not synthesized. Just listen. First of all, listen. Is not synthesized. But what is the source? Plants. Plants. Fructose. Plants. That is edible parts. Some seeds, some fruits. When you take the fruit containing fructose. But animal body does not contain fructose except seminal vesicle of male. Yes. Except seminal vesicle of male. Suppose due to now you take this, what is this? Seminal plasma. The seminal plasma composition is fructose. The fructose of seminal plasma is secreted by this glands especially in seminal vesicle. Due to this, see. Now it is a female, right, who is raped and murdered. Raped and murdered. The forensic department persons enter. For this investigation, they take some sample in the vagina. The vagina sample, if the vagina sample containing fructose, cesium, rape. But the fructose is not secreted by her body. The fructose is not secreted by her body. Some other ex-person, male, due to rape, is releasing semen into the female body. That means that escaped person is the person who is the raped is escaped from the place. But is semen is present in the vagina. The presence and absence of semen in vagina detected by fructose. This is one of the very important in forensic department to identify that female is raped or without rape by the presence of fructose. Right. But actually the fructose is required, is a nutritive food for, see, it is the, what is this fluid? It is the fluid. This fluid is called as seminal plasma. The seminal plasma is containing fructose, calcium and enzymes. All those. Now what is this? Sperm. What is the need of fructose to the sperm? It's a nutritive food. That means maturation. When it is take the food and become mature. The maturity, right. What is the surrounding? Fluid. The fluid is act as a medium. The medium provide a suitable condition and nutrition. Right. The water is act as a medium for fish. Hence, the fish take the food from water. The fish can survive in the water. Right. Anything which is act as a medium, that medium provide suitable conditions and food. Now, what is this? Sperm. What is the medium? Seminal plasma. Due to this, the seminal plasma must contain nutritive tissue and suitable conditions. Right. This is about the 3 glands. Now come to this. What is this? Bulbourethral glands. Okay. Most important. Seminal vesicles, prostate gland, bulbourethral gland. This 3 gland secretion. This 3 gland secretion is called as seminal plasma. Seminal plasma is act as a medium, no doubt. But especially bulbourethral gland, especially the secretion of bulbourethral gland is also act as a lubricant during intercourse. Lubrication for the penis. Now that means bulbourethral glands is act as a dual purpose. It is involved in production of seminal plasma and their secretion is also act as a lubrication. Now this is about the glands. Now come on. What is external genitalia? Male gland. Male body. Male snail. Right. Reptilia plays money. What is is the sex? Male. Why it is male? Why I am male? Why she is a female? That is presence of sex hormone. If my body is having testes, I am male. Like snakes. Their snakes are unisex. No, the body is also unisex. Okay. But among these three, right, these two, sex is male. Why it is male? Presence of testes. The testis is internal to the body, not external to the body. That means except mammals. Now, yesterday I told you. Yesterday I told you it is body. Now it is the legs. It is the abdominal cavity, thoracic cavity. Now what it is? Legs. Now what it is? Scrotum. What is present in scrotum? Testes. Now what it is? Abdomen. Where the stomach is there? Abdominal cavity. Where the liver is there? Abdominal cavity. But testis is present outside the abdominal cavity. That is male reproductive organ in all mammals. In all mammals is present outside the abdomen in the scrotum. Right. What about bird? Male bird. It remains in abdominal cavity. That means the testis is not visible. But snake is also not visible. But in addition to this testis, we can see what it is? Pelvis. Now the name external genitalia. The name indicates external genitalia, which is appears externally to the eye. That is called as external genitalia. The external genitalia is penis. Penis. We can give the two types of definitions to penis. What is penis? Male external genitalia. Male external genitalia are male copulatory organ. We can say two definitions as you like, anyone. But finally, what is external genitalia in male reproductive system? Penis, which is also helps in copulation. This is about the male reproductive system. Now come to the female reproductive system. Thank you. Female reproductive system of women. Female reproductive system of women being. Right. The female reproductive system of women containing a pair of ovaries, a pair of oviducts, which is called as fallopian tubule, single uterus, cervix, vagina, external genitalia, and a pair of umbilicus. Now this is the organs together form reproductive system. But among this female reproductive system, except mammary gland, the remaining major female reproductive system is present in pelvis region, inside the pelvis region. Now, right. Now one by one. Right. The ovary is a primary sex organ. Primary sex. Right. Now it is a fallopian tubule. Now it is uterus. Right. It is cervix and vagina. Now vagina. Right. Now this is the ovaries. Right. Simple diagram. This is the female. Now you come to our body, you know. Now this is right. This is our body. Right. Now it is the diaphragm, thoracic cavity, abdominal cavity. Right. I can say in two ways. Be careful. Now what is this place? Abdominal cavity. This system, which system? Female reproductive system. This female reproductive system is located lower part of abdomen or upper part of pelvis. Now this is called as pelvis. It is upper to pelvis. This is total pelvis, upper part of pelvis, or lower to abdominal cavity. Lower to abdominal cavity. Is it correct? See, now what is this? Ovary. Now this is the ovary, which is not visible to external. Now it is fallopian tube. Now it is uterus. Right. Now what is this? Pair of ovaries. Right. Ovary is a primary sex organ. Same. Right. Why it is a primary sex organ? Right. It produces female gametes. Right. This is the ovaries. Ovaries. This is fallopian tube, uterus, cervix, vagina. This is all together. This is the organ. This is also this is the organ. All these organs together form female reproductive system. But among these various organs, why it is primary? Ovary is primary. Remaining these are secondary. Because same this ovary produces female gamete, egg, and also hormones, sex hormones, estrogen, progesterone. Hence, this is primary sex hormone. Name this tube, fallopian tube. Secondary or primary? Secondary. Why it is not primary? This fallopian tube neither producing hormones or gamete. Hence, it is not primary. But why it is secondary? It is helps in conduction of egg. Okay. Now what is this? Primary sex organ. This is the primary sex organ. Ovary. Right. Now you see our internal structure like this. See, it is our body. See, it is diaphragm. So it is thoracic tract. It is abdominal tract. Now what is this? This is the next. Now it is abdominal cavity. Lower abdominal or upper pelvis. Now what is this? Ovary. Now what is this? Fallopian tube. Here another ovary. It is fallopian tube. Now it is uterus. Okay. This ovary attaches to body. This is the body. Lateral wall of pelvis attaches. Otherwise, it is replacement. Right. Every organ must take a specific position. Stomach is below the diaphragm. When you are inverted, that never replace. That means internal organs maintain a specific place inside the body cavity by ligaments or mesenteries. Now this is the ligament. The ligament, and what is this? Uterus. That means the ovary, on one side it is connection to pelvic body wall and also connection to the uterus. Right. If you cut these ligaments, now the ovary can replace from one place to another place. The ovary is always maintained a specific place in pelvis region due to ligament. The ligament is the connection between inner surface of pelvic body wall and uterus. Okay. Now, what is the shape of ovary? Unshelled almond. Unshelled almond. This is the shape. Now the size is 3 to 4 centimeters. Right. Ligament. Right. Now, when you see the internal structure of ovary. Now this is the ovary. The surface. This is the surface. Or ovary is covered by a layer. This layer is called a germinal epithelium. Now, this is germinal epithelium tissue. Right. Inside this cavity is filled with a fluid. This fluid is called a stroma. What is stroma? The fluid which is present inside the ovary is called a stroma. Right. What is outermost surface layer? What is the layer? Germinal layer. Now what is this stroma? This stroma is again differentiated into two types. Central inner medulla. It is outer cortex. Cortex. That means the stroma is a fluid. This stroma is covered by germinal layer. Again, stroma is a differentiated cortex and medulla. Outer stroma, inner stroma. Right? Now, we can discuss again later what is the interval. It is very complicated. Right? Now, come to this. Right? Now, what is this? Uterus, which is also called as womb. What is this? Ovary. Ovary and uterus. In this two organs, a tube is extended. The tube is extended from ovary to uterus. This tube is called as fallopian tubule or oviduct. Again, it is three parts. First, second, third. The first part, infundibulum. The middle one is ampulla. Third one is isthmus. Right. These three parts together form fallopian tubule. Now, what is the first part? Fallopian. Right. Now, you see the end of infundibulum form a finger-like projections. Which covers the ovary. This finger-like projection of infundibulum is called as fimbriae, which is helps in collection of egg. Right. Now, this is ovary, this is fallopian tubule. The fallopian tubule is a three parts. What is the first part? Infundibulum. Among these three parts, which is open in uterus? Isthmus. Isthmus is a opening in infundibulum. Like similarly, if this is another fallopian tubule, it is another ovary. This ovary is also same internal structure. It is fimbria, it is infundibulum, it is ampulla and isthmus. Both isthmus open into uterus. Right. Now, what is this tube? Total together is called as fallopian tubule. What is this tube? This is ovary. It is the place for development of egg, female egg. It is the place for fertilization. It is the place for embryonic development. That means ovary, fallopian tubule, uterus. These three perform different functions. It is a place for formation, production and formation of female gametic egg. It is the place for fertilization. It is the place for fertilization. Now come on this. What is this? Uterus. The uterus is a muscular bag, inverted pear shape. It is a muscular bag. And what is the function? Embryonic. Now be careful. Right? Now this is uterus. This is the wall of uterus. It is the wall. This wall. Now it is uterine cavity. This wall containing three layers. Now see. Now for your clear understanding purpose, I draw with three different colors: yellow, white, pink. This is the three layers. These three layers together form wall. This is the total wall of uterus. How many layers? Three layers. Inner layer endometrium. It is middle layer, myometrium. Outer layer, perineum. Perineum. What is this? Endometrium. Right. This endometrium is undergoes periodical changes during pregnancy and also during menstrual cycle. Okay. Now what is this second layer? Myometrium. The name indicates muscular layer. Which muscles? Smooth muscles. Now among these three layers, name the three layers with order from inner to outer. Inner, endometrium. Middle, myometrium. Outer, perineum. But among these three, which is a muscular? Myometrium. Then, this is the myometrium made with smooth muscles. This is important role during parturition. After 9 months, the mother give the birth to a newborn baby. In this parturition, in this delivery, the myometrium plays important role. Right? Now come to the perineum. It is external protection. Now this uterine cavity. This uterine cavity open into vagina through a small sac. This is called as cervix. It is wall of cervix. It is cervical canal. It is vagina. It is a vaginal canal. This cervical canal and vaginal canal together is called as birth canal. After the 9 months, right, the baby is coming to the outside through cervical cavity, vagina. That means this two is helps in path to come to outside. Hence, this is two together is called as birth canal. Now this is about the female reproductive system. Now come to the right. External genitalia and a pair of male legs. Genitalia of female is called as vulva. Male external genitalia is called as penis. Now, it is somewhat sensitive subject. Please try to understand. I cannot explain detail like digestive system, excreta, because it is a somewhat sensitive. It is some guilty subject. Right. Okay, but anyway, as a lecturer, I must explain this terminology. Right. Now, suppose, see the just newborn baby. Now, these both are newborn babies, just 1 year or 6 months. Now, you are identifying this newborn baby as a male by penis. Now, by external genital sex organ, that means by the presence of penis, you are identified this baby as a male. Hence, the penis is external. But here, in the pelvis region, some slit is there. Slit. It is not vagina. The vagina is internal to the body. Almost 99% of the students or persons, this area of female is vagina. No, it is not vagina. Vagina is never appear. But what is this area? That is vulva. Vulva is different from vagina. The vagina is internal part. Right, I say. Just listen. Now see. Now this is the female. Now this is pelvis region. Like this. This is the pelvis region. What is the name? I can say later. Right, now you see. is our mouth. Mouth. It is the lips. It is upper lip, it is lower lip. This is gap. This gap between two lips is called as mouth. The mouth is aperture or pore, aperture, pore between two lips. Right. Now this is horizontal. But in female, same like right now. This is the two lips. Lips. Two lips. Right. Now this is a gap. This is the gap. In this gap, two apertures. Apertures. Outer aperture, urethra. Urethra. See, what is this? Kidneys. What is this? Ureters. What is this? Urinary bladder. It is urethra. It is excretory system. It is a reproductive system. Right? In males, this urethra is a common for sperm and urine. But in female, complete systems are independent. It is excretory system. It is reproductive system. Now what is this? What is this? Vagina. Now what is this? Vaginal opening. This is vaginal opening. Now what is this? Urethral opening. This is urethral opening. Through this, female release the urine. Now what is this? Vaginal opening. Vaginal opening. Now this vaginal opening is surrounded by lips. This lips is called labia minora. Labia minora. Right. Again, this labia minora is these two labia minora is covered by another pair of lips. Another pair of lips. This is called labia majora. Labia majora. That means, right? This is the area, pelvis area of female is having two pairs of lips. Two pairs of lips. External lips is called as labia majora. Internal is called as labia. Between two labia minora, two apertures is there. That is urethral opening and right. Just above the urethra. Just above the urethra and at the junction of labia minora, a projection. A projection that is called as clitoris. Clitoris. Right? Now, what is this two? This two. See, once again. Right now. Labia majora. How many two? Two inside the labia majora. Labia minora. It is labia minora. Now what is this? Urethral opening for discharge of urine. Now it is vaginal opening, discharge of eggs. Okay. Now above the urethral meatus or urethral opening and at the junction of labia minora is a projection, muscular projection, which is called as clitoris. Okay. Above the, what is this? Labia majora. A fatty cushion area with pubic hairs, that is manus pubis. Manus pubis, labia labia minora, clitoris, hymen. This is the major parts. Together, all this together form external genitalia of female, which is called as vulva. Right. Now come to what is hymen. Right. With this, the female reproductive system will be completed. Now, see what is this vagina. This vagina is a tube. Now what it is? Opening. Right. Now it is the tube. Now this is the opening. This opening partially covered by membrane. Now this is the membrane. Partially covered by membrane. Okay. During intercourse, sexual attachment between male and female, the male penis is introduced into the vagina. Right? Now it is the penis. Okay. Now this is the opening. This opening belongs to who? Vagina. The opening of vagina partially covered by membrane that is called as hymen. Hymen is the membrane which partially covered to the opening of vagina. Right. This is. But according to NCERT, some knowledge is given by hymen. Right. Now, virginity. That is sexual experience. So after the marriage, generally, we have some moral genetics, we have some traditional values, right? Either male or female, right? He get the virginity after the marriage. Okay? But there is no indication, right? He or she is having virginity. But, right, in ancient days, due to some lack of knowledge, scientific knowledge, the vagina, it is the vaginal opening, is partially covered by the membrane, is called as hymen. In olden days, the presence of hymen is indicator for virginity. Presence of hymen is indicator of virginity in olden days, but not nowadays. But in general, first coitus, that means first intercourse, during the introduction of penis, the hymen will be ruptured. It is general. But even though she is not married, she is not having any sexual intercourse, but due to cycling, due to horse riding, due to tempering of pelvic region, the hymen will be ruptured. This is another reasons to rupturing of hymen. That means the hymen is not considered as a virginity. But in some cases, in rare, the hymen is thick. Even though first intercourse, the hymen cannot rupture. But due to this, we cannot consider hymen is not indicator for coitus or virginity. Sorry, the hymen is not indicator for virginity. This is the once upon hymen is considered, but it is a lack of some knowledge. Right? Now come to the next class.